Welcome to the vibrant megalopolis of London, a city teeming with ideas and boundless energy. In the midst of this bustling metropolis lies Chapter Ealing, a student accommodation that offers an exceptional living experience. Chapter Ealing offers a range of accommodation options to suit your needs. Whether you prefer a studio, an ensuite room, or a shared apartment, the property has got you covered. Inside your room, you'll find a cozy bed, a dedicated private study space, shelves, and modern washrooms for your convenience. But Chapter Ealing is more than just a place to live. Stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle at the on-site gym. Have fun with friends in the games booth. Watch your favorite movie in the cinema room, and find the perfect balance between socializing and studying in the dedicated social and study spaces. Situated in multicultural North Acton, the property is just 15 minutes short bus ride away from both University of West London and BPP University. And when hunger strikes, the Tesco Express supermarket is just a 2-minute walk away. Chapter Ealing offers you the best of both worlds, access to vibrant city life and a welcoming community to call home. Discover the perfect room type for you and start your unforgettable student journey with amberstudent.com today.